You got us in this mess.
Trust me.
My mom and my dad. When I die today, I love you.
Are you laughing nervously?
That's why I'm like here, perched upon.
Yeah, he seems confident actually.
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
Trust me.
Dear Internet, this is our first day in Dubai as a team. We haven't left the hotel in forever. And we're going to... cut. The desert. Frame! This! A frame in the middle of nowhere that frames the entire skyline so that you can see it all as if it's one big nice picture. It's kind of like the beginning, the entrance to the city. It's really cool. Check out this drone shot.
How was that, Nasar?
Very good.
What's next?
Don't know.
Let's go to JBR! So I'm covered all the time. It's safe. No sand.
Shukran Habibi. You get lost in the palm.
You don't have Google Map?
You
don't have?
We do. We just don't have people that know how to use it.
Okay, I will. Where do you want to go? Just.
Okay, we'll just do Google Maps. You're right. You're right. We'll do Google Maps.
Okay.
Thank you, my
Have a good
friend.
day.
Bye bye. Woo! This is a cool view.
Wow. Wait. But Nasar, why Dubai?
Why Dubai?
Yeah.
That's a good question. Why? Come. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the vlog. Can I take pictures? Say hi to the vlog. Hey! All right, guys, now we're in the middle of the desert. Literally, there's no signs, there's nowhere to go. Hello! This is a compound. There's this German lady who decided that she's done with Germany, she's done with snow, she's done with winter, she's done with cold life, and she decided to come here to the very hot desert, surrounded by very hot camels. How are you? Welcome. No, thank you for having us.
I am Ushi. Still I'm in the desert expecting Christmas gifts, but not for me, it's for the camel.
Christmas hat on a camel with a German lady. The only animal I have is a cat.
One,
Not this thing.
two, wait, boy na.
He's like a
Hi guys, it's just me, the queen of camels. Is this ethical? A little late now.
my camel is pooping. Oh my goodness. But what about the drone? Because we have a drone.
A drone, ما في مشكلة.
ما في مشكلة?
ما في مشكلة. He will do like this. Oh. No, you be safe. If they're running, you jump.
The reason this is scary is because we're gonna fly a drone and animals do not like drones. And if they don't like drones, then they're gonna get really angry and drop me and break my back and I'll die. I'm so scared.
Are you scared to fly the FPV?
No, I am. I am
Next to a
scared.
camel?
But it's once in a lifetime experience. Only in Dubai. Only with camel washing.
My sexual life not important. The sexual life of my camels more important.
What do you think, Aline?
Because they have to get pregnant in time.
She knows her priorities.
We can make an appointment.
I'm very inspired. I agree.
I have two. We have to go to them to make the act. See you.
Thank you so much. Bye. Thanks.
We do Christmas dinner.
And 45 minutes later, we are home and the day's over. Guys, If you like these behind the scenes videos, if we should continue making them, please let us know in the comment section. I thought it would be nice to give you a sense of what happens behind those 1 minute or 3 minute videos. If you think we're assholes behind the camera, let us know. If you think we are nice behind the camera, also let us know. And let me know what you think of Tony.
What's up? See you guys in the next video.
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.